The haters talking, but I'm still walking. Sip and walk, make my heart stop. Oh. Me and Sheen running up the block. Captain Bush the 9/11, now I'm getting randomly selected. What the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? Search for drugs and bombs and weapons. Hold on. No need for aggression. Just a common misconception of who I am won't threaten my profession. Hold on. Young Wee's in the building.
What is your problem?
Bro, let him do his thing. He's actually trying to be funny. That's literally
Type
what his
shit?
whole persona around here. Type shit, type shit.
Yeah, I like to come on this game and have fun. God forbid.
Dude, I see you, Tom. I see you.
Who wants 2 quarter pounders, $5.99 special?
5.99.
Yeah.
Spooky's cracking me the fuck up, bro. Spooky's funny as hell.
Put that on God.
Put that on God. I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah, for real.
Put it on Jimmy's
I think Spooky's funny.
Yeah, the mixing machine always works when I'm around. Turn that ass to a McFlurry.
You might want to go for one of your bigger avatars.
Yo, that was funny, man.
That shit gonna look like an Oreo McFlurry when I'm done.
We got good social media.
You can tip me a French fries if you want. Yeah.
Not the Oreo. Jimmy's mom.
Yeah, I make that shit for Jimmy's mom all the time.
Oh, dude. Can you drive this shit?
Oh,
Haley?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Young Weez, bro, I'm gonna pop off on SoundCloud. It's gonna be crazy, bro.
How the fuck you flip us over?
It goes so fast that it makes me flip.
Ain't nobody go harder than Young Weez.
Wait, hold on. Let me try this shit.
You guys smell that? It kind of smells like Badoosie. I think that's me. I think that's my Badoosie. It's all sweaty. Goddamn.
Honestly, thank God they left because they were bringing weird ass people up in this bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were taking the game way too seriously. Like, get away from me kind of vibes. I'm like nowhere near them.
I'm like, if you're uncomfortable, fucking leave. Reminds me of the people that were saying they got raped on this game.
On
Dude, how does
everything.
somebody get raped on a game?
They don't. They don't.
Exactly, they don't.
She's just mad that I oiled her daughter as P. Diddy.
There's people on fucking Perispace saying that they got raped through a game. That ain't fucking that you